Hey guys, Nate from Winter, back again with another edition of What's in the Box. And what's in the box today? Hammerhead Carbide is in the box today. All right, so through the magic of video editing, we've gone ahead and unboxed the system and put it out here on the table for you so you can take a look at it. Again, we're talking about Winter Equipment's Hammerhead Carbide insert blade system, commonly referred to as the BlockBuster. We're looking at an 11-foot setup today, so you got 2 4s and a 3-foot, your plow guards and your bolt kit. A couple things about this system. First of all, it carries a 4 times wear factor rating. Nate, what does that mean? Really simple. That means if you're currently running a 3/4 by 6 carbide insert blade with a steel cover blade, this is guaranteed to last 4 times longer than that. So whatever your experience has been with that traditional carbide insert blade setup, we guarantee with references that this is going to last 4 times longer than that. Next common question, Nate, where would I use this or why would I use it? It's a great setup for your wing plow. So if you're an interstate operator, plowing a 4-lane highway, 2-lane highway, concrete, long runs, and you got that wing plow discharging on either side of your truck, this is a great system to install on that wing plow. Couple of the key features you're gonna find, we got the weld-on shoes on the back, so you guys right now that are bolting on those moldboard shoes, we go ahead and weld them on for you. They feature Winter Equipment's carbide matrix inserted here in the pocket, and you can kind of see it. It's been powder coated. You can see the rough spot here. We've gone ahead and put that deposit in there. This blade also features an abrasion resistant weld-on cover plate with interlocking tabs and a wear indicator. You can kind of see the dip here. When you've worn up to that dip, you've worn through your carbide, you're probably ready for a blade change. Like all of Winter Equipment's blade systems, we go ahead and offer you 2 plow guards. On this one, you're getting the Winter Equipment's PlowGuard MAXX. And then finally, like all of our systems, we give you a complete bolt kit to go ahead and put it on. So everything you would need for your 9, 10, 11, 12-foot wing plow is right here in one box, ordered under one part number, shipped free of charge anywhere in the continental US. To learn more about Winter Equipment's Hammerhead Carbide insert blade system or the rest of the products Winter Equipment offers, check us out at winterequipment.com or give us a phone call today at 800-2WINTER.